for a crunch. Make sure your feet are facing each other. Your head should not be pointing towards me, being towards me. There we go. I don't know why this box is so messed up. Okay, when I count, you're going to tighten up your tummy muscles, and you're going to crunch, and lift your shoulders, and your head off the ground. So keep your hands behind your head, so you don't get your head on the floor. And then you are going to crunch and tighten your tummy muscles. 1, 2, 3.